So today we have come here to the Yu Garden, this beautiful attraction here in Shanghai, but we haven't come here for tourism. We came here to trace back the history of the Pseudo Hui, the small knife society. So we are doing the Taiping Rebellion right now, 1850, 1864. If you haven't watched the previous video, please click here. So the Taiping soldiers struggled to get Shanghai. They got Nanjing, but Shanghai was very difficult to get at the time. So two brothers from the Guangdong province, the Low brother, came here in the Yu Garden, and in the Chun Hall, they set their headquarters for the secret society called Pseudo Hui, the Small Knife Society. So this is the map of the Yu Garden. Now we are here, and we will go here in the Chun Hall. So right now we are inside the Chun Hall, the hall that was used as a headquarters for the Small Knife Society. And just right here we find documentation. On the left we have a document of the people stick outside their door to show their support to the Tindi Hui, the Heaven and Heart Society. And on the right we have the patch that the soldiers of the Pseudo Hui put on their hip to show that they are part of the Small Knife Society. So just as you enter the Chun Hall, you find in front of you the weapons that were using during the period. And you find, strangely, one of them is actually the Budip Do, mostly known as the Bajam Do, the weapon used in the Wing Chun. So just outside the Chun Hall, just in front of it, we found this small little place that actually was used for actor plays, like in the Red Boat operas. And the name, the Fanbu Wang Yin, it has been traditionally called the martial sing stage. So now we actually have some very interesting historical facts that get together, that link together. We have the two Low brothers that came here in Shanghai in this hall to set the headquarters for the Pseudo Hui. And we know that during the 1850s, probably in 1853-84, little Chun get back to Guangdong and then Fasan and join Lima Mao, the leader of Fasan rebellion against the Qin dynasty. And we know that at some point, the knife that they were used by the Pseudo Hui end up on the Red Boat hopper.